Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency can be a bit intimidating. New terms, volatile markets, and a seemingly endless stream of platforms all contribute to that feeling. But hey, that's why we're here. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and secure exchanges, Gemini, and specifically, the question burning a hole in your pocket: how much do I need to start trading? Now, before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Gemini isn't just any crypto exchange. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini prides itself on being a regulated platform, meaning they play by the rules set by authorities. This translates to a focus on security and transparency, which is music to the ears of anyone cautious about venturing into the crypto space. So, back to our burning question, the minimum deposit. Buckle up, because here's the exciting bit: there actually isn't one. That's right, you don't need a hefty initial investment to explore the world of crypto on Gemini. You can quite literally start with a small amount, say, a fraction of a Bitcoin, and test the waters. This flexibility is a big plus for beginners who want to get a feel for the platform and crypto trading before committing larger sums. But wait, isn't there a catch? Well, not exactly. While there's no minimum deposit, there are minimum trade amounts. These vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency you're interested in. For instance, you might be able to buy a fraction of a Bitcoin, but you might need a whole unit of another cryptocurrency to place a trade. It's kind of like buying groceries. You can't exactly buy half an apple, can you? To avoid any surprises, it's always a good idea to check the minimum trade amount for the specific crypto you have your eye on before you deposit any funds. Gemini has a handy resource page that lists all the trading pairs and their respective minimums. Just a quick search online and you'll be good to go. Here's another factor to consider: fees. Gemini charges fees on both buying and selling crypto. These fees are typically a percentage of the trade value, and again, the exact percentage can vary depending on whether you're using the basic interface or the more advanced active trader platform. So, while there's no minimum deposit to worry about, keeping transaction fees in mind when determining your starting amount is important. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: why would Gemini allow deposits with no minimum? It might seem counterintuitive, but there's a clever strategy behind it. By making the entry point accessible, Gemini attracts new users who might eventually become more frequent and active traders. It's a way to build a user base and foster a community around the platform. Plus, with a secure and user-friendly interface, Gemini positions itself as a beginner-friendly exchange, which widens their net significantly. So, there you have it. You can start your Gemini crypto journey with any amount you're comfortable with. Just remember to check the minimum trade amount for your chosen cryptocurrency and factor in any potential fees. With that knowledge in hand, you're ready to explore the exciting world of crypto trading on Gemini. Happy trading, and remember, do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency, as the market can be volatile. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.